Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight we're doing a box of 1314 Prime and a box of 1314 Dominion. Two great products joined together. There we have it, the Winnipeg Jets last team sold, and it sold at 19:05 Eastern, just before I switched to the eBay time. Anybody that's selling or anything to this guy, beware. He's a non-payer, and what do you get? Your fees back. Whoopee. So sorry for that little rant there. Here's your eBay time, and it is 16:16 Pacific, 19:16 Eastern, and 20:16 Atlantic, which is Nova Scotia time. Here's our list of winners and their respective teams. Thank you everyone for taking part, and it's good to see you back. And I see Rezak7. I don't believe I've seen you before. Welcome. Live Buzz 2011 also. There you are, break number 148. Here's your serial numbers ending in 8225, that's your Prime, and 4937, that's your Dominion. I'll start with the Prime serial. I'll do it upside down because I have to move the camera. So ending in 8225, and your box is sealed. It's break number 148, of course. And for Dominion, 4937, and that also is sealed. We'll start with the Prime. I like to start with the Prime. Prime it up. It's all scrunched down there. Step back. Okay. I will say good luck, everyone. Well, let's just put a spacer on top, I guess, like everybody else does. Can't give it all away. And for the Ottawa Senators, we've got Erik Karlsson. This card has some indents in it there, if you can see it. Just so you know, right there. That goes out to Charlie Hanna, I believe. Yep, Charlie Hanna. And that's number 2/50. So it's a short print, one of those. Oh, look, geez, it's got a big one right across there, too. Well, that sucks. But just so you know, I can give you the information, Charlie, and you can. And here it's all messed up too. Unfortunate, but that's the way it is. Let's hope that's the only one. And here's a nice out of 99, Sammy Ventanen for the Ducks. It's a nice auto one. That goes out to Michael Storrow for the Quack Quacks. Oh, Chad Roach 18. Aren't you glad you talked to me earlier? I guess. Marc-Andre Fleury. Prime number 6. Numbered 1/25. That's pretty sweet. Very nice. Nice, nice, nice. And for Warm and Cozy. And you're on a roll. Oh my God, that was a prime box. 43/99, and it goes out John Merrill rather, for the New Jersey Devils. Very nice. Gold patches all over the place. This one's going to have to be around. Oh! Sweet. Mmm. Sweet, sweet, sweet. That one I've got to cover up. Look at this one now. Wow. Joe Sakic and Quentin Howden, Idle, and that is prime patch. 19 out of 25. Between the Pico 2456 and Italy Gabby. So that'll be random at the end of it. This card is nice, but the next one will just blow your socks off, especially if you are Saber stuff. 1970. You're going to hate me for this. Look at that! Freaking Shield. Nikita Zadorov, sorry. Prime Rookies, Shield, Auto, 1 of 1. Wow. What a sweet card. Congratulations, John. You the man. I know, you're probably going to get me to keep it, right? You don't want it. And next we'll go to Thomas Hertel for the collector, 2481. 10 out of 199. Rookie jersey, auto. Wow, that is nice. And for the Avs, Patrick Waugh. Base, 18 out of 299. My lights are a little... 18 out of 299 for Patrick Waugh and the Avs. And that goes out to Italy Gabby. Wow, I just want to show you that again. I'll show you this a couple times. Nice. Congratulations. You deserve it, my friend. Let's get into the Dominion. Hopefully this Dominion is going to be that nice. Wow. There's your Dominion. Holy mackerel. That is one nice card. Okay. For the Toronto Maple Leafs and Chad Roach, 18. Nazem Kadri, 153 out of 299 for the Maple Leafs. And Quack Quack, Michael Storrow, 34 out of 50. Time Warp, got Jack Campbell and Eddie Balfour. Nice patch stuff there going on for the Duckies. Oh, sorry. Yeah, not the Ducks. I apologize. It's the Stars. Let's see. That's Chad Roach, 18. I'm sorry about that, Michael. As you can see, it's the Stars. I'm just dumb. I'm just dumb. So that goes out to Chad Roach, 18. And we've got a booklet. Ice Level, Tyler Toffoli for the LA Kings, and that's Rizak 7. It's number 12 out of 50. That's a pretty sweet kind of booklet. Autograph, jersey. We won't spread it wide open. Very nice, congratulations. For the Sharks and the collector, 2481. It's number 93 out of 299. Very nice piece of patch there. Matt Irwin, auto, rookie card. Very nice, congratulations. And last but not least, we've got for Chad Roach, it's autograph patches for the Montreal Canadiens. Matt Pacioretty. Boo. So there you go. Chad, you can let me know whether you want me just to send you the code or not. And we'll get to our random for this beauty. what a nice card that is. And as per all my randoms, the teams go in 3 times. Panthers and Avs. They win 3 times. I random it 4 times. The team on top at the end of the 4th time is the winner. So there you see Panthers, Avs, Panthers, Avs, Panthers, Avs, Panthers, Avs. And we're going to do it starting now. Avs on top for the first one. Avs on top for the second one. Avs on top for the third one. Will it be Avs on top for the 4th one? We'll find out right after this commercial message. No. There we go. And that is 4 times, and the Avs are stuck there. So that would go out to Italy, Gabby. So there you have it, folks. Wow, I just want to show you that one more time, because that is nasty. 1 of 1. Nikita Zadorov. Baby. Sabre stuff, get a hold of me if you want insurance and tracking on that. I'm sure that you do. Email me and I'll get that card out to you. Okay, thanks very much, everyone. Have a good night. And a couple more breaks tonight. Next ones will be Monday night and Tuesday night of next week. So till then, good night and happy bidding.